Well, welcome back to my channel, y'all. Thank y'all for clicking on this video. Excuse my hair, it is a mess, but as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing my sleek ponytail. So right now I'm just going to be putting some moisture on my hair, and all the products will be down below in the description box. Alright, so now I pretty much just made my part. I didn't want it straight back, so I made it curved, and you can see that in this video. So yeah, you can make your part however you want it, but I just wanted mine curved. Now after I have my part, I'm going to be sectioning my hair off because I am now going to detangle it just so I can get it to lay flatter. And then after I detangle, you will be seeing me put some water on it to help detangle. So yeah. So now I'm going to be applying water and all that good stuff to the front of my hair and finger comb it first. It helps before you detangle your hair. And then I'm going to be taking the brush, of course. But before I do that, I will be sectioning it off because I want it to lay super flat. So please section your hair off so you can get it as flat as possible. Alright, so you do see I did put that front part in a ponytail because that will be my swoop. So pretty much the back, I'm pretty sure you know how to gel down your edges and everything because you want it to be super flat. And you just gel it down, then you just brush it. You can put it in the ponytail once you get it, you know, to the back as far as you want, or you can just leave it out like I did. Okay, so this is the most important part. When you are doing your swoop or the top of your hair, make sure you do small sections. My hair is very thin, so I can do bigger sections because my hair is thin, but make sure you do smaller sections, or it depends on your hair, so it can lay as flat as you can. And once you put the gel on there, make sure you comb it with a small, like the smallest comb you can find, or like the like if you have a brush, make sure the bristles are hard so it goes through the hair, and you make sure it gets as flat as possible. Yeah, my hair done broke the comb. That thing was so funny. Oh my god. But yeah, it done broke the comb. So now I am going to go ahead back on the other side and fix my edges for baby hairs, or whatever you want to call it, because I don't think I have no baby hairs, but who knows. I just went back over there, did my little swoop, and I fixed this swoop right here, the main one, and I just want to make sure it laid super flat, because my hair curls back up, so I hope I had to brush it with that hard brush to get it as straight as I can. And now this part, you just put the hair in the ponytail. Pretty much you're basically about done. And then we're just you will see me take some Got2b spray, and I'm gonna secure the hold of it because I don't want my hair to shrink back up. So I did put bobby pins and I sprayed the Got2b spray. And yeah. Alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope I helped you guys get the sleekest ponytail y'all could get also. I tried to make it as simple as I could, but make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and press that notification bell down below. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.